Hey everybody, we're just getting all the last bits and pieces in place for next week's Fantasy Writers Week, and we're super excited. We've wanted to do an event like this since we began. At ProWritingAid, we love books and we love helping writers become the writers that they've always dreamt of being, and this feels like a really important step on that journey.
Fantasy seemed like a great place to start because it's very dear to my own heart. I'm actually writing a YA fantasy novel at the moment that's set in the South China Seas. I think no other genre has the scope for imagination and creativity that fantasy does. It's really hard because you have to invent everything from scratch, but yeah, it's incredibly fun because of that.
Our goal was to create a week full of practical, useful trainings to help you write the best fantasy story you can. We hope that hearing from all of these successful authors will give you the inspiration you need to make your work unforgettable.
Please join all of us over at the Fantasy Writers Week Facebook group. We want to help connect fantasy writers and world builders to an exclusive new community to exchange ideas and support and receive fantasy-centered content during Fantasy Writers Week and beyond.
We'll also have a daily networking event at 5 PM Eastern where you can connect with other participants, share your fantasy novel idea, and find out what others are writing.
And once Fantasy Writers Week is over, we'll be starting a 30-day challenge to help you sharpen your fantasy characters, world, and plot. We'll be sharing more details about how to sign up for that this week, so stay tuned. See you there!